Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel again. In this video today, we'll see how to download Java latest version in Windows 11. So we have to check first whether Java is installed in a system or not. For that, go to your terminal. Here you can type Java minus version. You can see it is showing the term Java is not recognized, so it means Java is not downloaded. To download Java, you have to go on search Oracle Java download, click on it, Java downloads, and you can see latest version Java 23. So go to our Windows, go to Windows and click on this x64 compressed or installer. You can use installer also. So use installer, which is a straightforward thing. It will take few seconds to get download completed. So once download is completed, we'll go to our download folder. You can see download is completed. Now click on, you can see the exe file is downloaded. Now click on it. So now you double click on it. So it will now it's asking to install. So allow the app. So you click on yes. Next, it will show another pop-up. So it is showing now Java is getting downloaded in your system. Now click on next, then it is asking for the location. So generally I prefer with the C program file Java JDK 23 this file. Then if you want to change, you can change the location here. Then click on next. Then it will take a few seconds and it will get downloaded. So you can see the download is in progress now. So we'll wait for a few seconds. So now we can see it is extracting all the related files. It will download. Now download is complete. Once download is complete, now go to the same folder. Now same command prompt and click on the same command. Now you can see so your old existing command prompt will not work. So you have to close the command prompt and go again and open another new command prompt, and there you go here and type. You can see open your command prompt. Then here you can type that same Java minus version. I can see Java is downloaded. It is showing Java 23. The version is recognized now. Yeah. Thanks for watching.